Okay, I'm going to show you how to crimp PEX when it's way up in the overhead and it's between a couple of beams, and you can't really, I can't, I mean I'm not Hercules, so I can't crimp in that really restricted area, but I'm going to show you a little trick. One thing, to get the fitting to stay up where you want it to stay, you can slide it up, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to slide it up. I only have two hands, so I'm going to put the camera down for a minute. So what I did is I put a little piece of black tape on the crimp ring, okay? And that holds it where I need it. And then I'm going to hold on. I'm going to put the camera down again. Okay, so then you set your crimper around the fitting, as you can see right here. I'm going to raise it up a little bit because I couldn't see it. I'm going to raise the crimper up a little bit, maybe about ½ inch. Hold on. And you get the crimper in here. Let me see if I got it now. That's better. Just about to the top. So now, so you're in a very restricted place, as you can see here. So what I do is I get one of these Jorgensen. I have these because I'm a woodworker a little bit. And you set the Jorgensen around your tool, your crimping tool. Let me show you how this is done. You get the crimper, and you get it on the, make sure it's on the center. Then you just tighten up this. You're gonna put this, because trying to crimp these things in the overhead, you need to be Charlie Atlas, and I'm not Charlie Atlas, so like I say, keep tightening it. Your clamp, these things are really handy little tool to have in, especially if you do any woodworking. If you do any woodworking, I'm sure you have a easy hold clamper. And as you can see, I'm closing it up. Totally closed, okay? So now you release it. Release the clamp. I'm going to show you. Crimper back apart. These things are, I don't know, I don't have a, the high-tech crimpers that these guys have. And then you can see I've got it on here. Take the tape off. and you've got a fitting. And that's as easy as it is. So, just a little hint for you guys out there that don't spend 3 hours a day over Planet Fitness.